Dear colleagues, welcome to the OncoAlert Roundup for the week of November 1st to the 7th, 2024. These are some highlights of the week. For more in-depth updates, we invite you to sign up for our newsletter by clicking on the link in the post or visiting www.oncoalert360.com. That's www.oncoalert360.com. Starting off with a spotlight publication out on the Lancet Oncology, the SERENA-2 trial, which demonstrated that camizestrant at 75 milligrams and 150 milligrams significantly improved progression-free survival compared to fulvestrant in postmenopausal women with estrogen receptor positive, HER2 negative advanced breast cancer, supporting its further development. Out in CROH, the role of radiation therapy in the multidisciplinary management of male breast cancer. Meta-analysis found that radiation therapy significantly reduced the risk of death in male breast cancer patients, but further research is needed to identify which subgroups benefit the most. Moving on to lung cancer and out on clinical cancer research, immunotherapies in advanced non-small cell lung cancer. Since 2011, the FDA has approved 30 new drugs for advanced non-small cell lung cancer, with treatment strategies and regulatory approval pathways differing significantly between oncogene-driven and non-oncogene-driven subtypes, the former receiving targeted therapies with accelerated approval based on early response data. And in GU oncology, out in urologic oncology, impact of post-progression therapies in overall survival, recommendations from the 2023 Kidney Cancer Association think tank meeting. The paper highlights the need for improved trial designs and statistical methods, such as multi-stage treatment strategies and subsequently multiple assignment randomized trials to account for post-progression therapies and better estimate overall survival in renal cell carcinoma. Moving on to GI cancer and out on JCO, Onvansertib in combination with chemotherapy and Bevacizumab in second-line treatment of KRAS-Mutant metastatic colorectal cancer. This phase 2 trial demonstrated that Onvansertib in combination with FOLFIRI and Bevacizumab showed significant activity in second-line treatment for KRAS-Mutant metastatic colorectal cancer, especially in patients with no prior Bevacizumab treatment. And out on the Red Journal, NRG Oncology International Consensus Contouring Atlas on Targeted Volumes and Dosing Strategies for Dose-Escalated Pancreatic Cancer Radiotherapy. This study establishes consensus guidelines for target delineation in dose-escalated radiotherapy for pancreatic cancer, aiming to standardize clinical practice in future trials by defining high and low-risk clinical target volumes based on expert analysis. And finishing off with a paper out in our partner journal by the American Cancer Society, Dietary Quality and Chemotherapy-Induced Peripheral Neuropathy in Colon Cancer. Here, higher dietary quality was associated with reduced risk of moderate to severe chemotherapy-induced peripheral neuropathy in colon cancer survivors treated with oxaliplatin. And there you have it, folks, this week's Roundup. We're looking forward to seeing you next week for yet another week in oncology.